Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Charles Darwin, and allow me a few thoughts for today. The natural world is a battlefield, yet beautiful. Life is a struggle for existence, where only the strongest survive. Those who have advantages, however slight, are more likely to thrive and reproduce. Over countless generations, these tiny differences accumulate and form the amazing diversity of life we see today. This, my friends, is the engine of natural selection, of evolution.
But what is true for nature is also true for business. Companies are struggling to survive in an increasingly digital world. Digital Darwinism is the relentless process of natural selection in business. Companies that can adapt, innovate, and understand digital challenges thrive and expand.
Those who cling to outdated methods risk being left behind and then becoming extinct, just like species that are unable to adapt to a changing environment. It is not the strong and the big that survive, but the fast, the ones who quickly become adept at using new technologies. This may explain why I think that the digital world, like nature, is a constant struggle for survival. Please have a listen to the presentation by Alexa and Zad on the role of HR in digital Darwinism. See ya.